So today, folks, we're going to be making giant chicken nuggets and Szechuan sauce inspired by Rick and Morty and Rick's love for the sauce that he can't get a hold of at McDonald's. We've also sort of enlarged the chicken nuggets as if he's shot them with one of his magic guns. So let's go. First, we're going to make the Szechuan sauce that drove Rick so crazy. What I've got here is Kashmiri chilies that you can really use red chilies or any chilies that you can get your hands on. And you soak them in a bowl of water overnight, and that takes some of the heat out of them. You know, it makes them a bit more easygoing. I've got some chopped shallot here, which I'm just going to fry off, just to take the edge off of them and get a bit of caramel flavor going on. And with those, some Szechuan peppercorns. So what you're going to need to mix up the sauce is good old blender, and we'll do about 4 chilies worth, seeds and all, about a square inch of ginger and 1 clove of garlic, black vinegar. You can find that at sort of an Oriental supermarket, and dark soy sauce, same deal. Then some sugar, about a tablespoon. Once you've got all of that in there, get your onions and Szechuan peppercorns in there too, and blend. Get that into a bowl, like so. Szechuan dipping sauce all ready to go. Now let's make our nuggets. Because it's Rick and Morty, we don't just want to do a normal sized chicken nugget. We've got to sort of imagine it's been shot with one of Rick's guns and enlarged. So I've just got chicken breast cut in half. You just want to get a flour coating on your breast like that. And then you want to get your egg coating over that. And once that's covered in egg, breadcrumb it, flour, egg, bread. Very carefully and gently lower our nuggets in and leave them to cook for about a dozen minutes. That's 12 minutes. Because they're big, they've been cooking for a long time in hot oil, but they're lovely and golden all over, and they'll be beautiful and tender in the middle. Just get our nuggets arranged. So here we go, our giant chicken nuggets, way over average size, and our famous Szechuan sauce that drove Rick crazy. You've got to give that a try.